Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Anytime you have fruit in your house, you can just make all different stuff and it will always be good. People will eat fruits. Today, I've got a half of a honeydew melon. I've got a half of a cantaloupe. I've got some cranberries, cran raisins, but they are dried cranberries. And I have some marshmallows. So what we're going to do, we're just going to cut up everything, put it together, and we will have us a fruit salad. Of course, you'll have to peel everything. Can't be putting the rind in there. So we're just going to slice it. And every what size of chunks that you like, pieces you like. I'm just going to cut it in bite size, I hope. And if you have spots on it that you don't really like, just cut them right on off. Okay, I've got half of my cantaloupe. I've got that cut up. Now we're going to cut up the half of, we got half of the honeydew. Now I'm going to cut up a half of a cantaloupe. Okay, this is the last piece of the cantaloupe. There you go. I have got a half a cup of Ocean Spray Cran Raisin dried cranberries. And we're just going to put that in there. Stir it up. And I have some mini marshmallows. Everybody likes marshmallows. So we're going to put, and we're just going to add a cup of marshmallows. Get everything stirred up together. Especially if you've got kids, you're always trying to get them to eat more fruit, more healthy. I don't know if the marshmallows is healthy or not, but still. There. You have a nice looking dish. Cantaloupe, honeydew, cran raisins, and marshmallows. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please come back to see me. Enjoy this Floridian dish. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me your comments. Come back and visit me again.